Hello. Have you ever stopped to wonder about the different shapes and features of Earth's surface? These are called landforms, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Today, we're going to explore some of the most common landforms and see how they apply to the beautiful state of Florida. One of Florida's most recognizable landforms is the coastline. Coastlines are where the land meets the ocean. They can be rocky and rugged or sandy and gentle. Florida has some stunning coastline like the beaches along the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Another interesting landform is the dune. Dunes are hills of sand formed by wind. They are often found in deserts and along coastlines. Florida has beautiful sand dunes, especially in the Panhandle region. Rivers are another important landform. They're large streams of water that flow across the land. Rivers play a vital role in shaping the landscape, carrying sediments and carving out valleys. Florida has many rivers, including the St. Johns River, the longest river in Florida. Mountains are large landforms that rise high above the surrounding land. Most mountains are formed by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. While Florida's landscape is known for its flat topography, some of the areas with rolling hills could be considered slightly mountainous. Glaciers are massive sheets of ice that slowly move across the land. They can carve out valleys and leave behind unique features like U-shaped valleys and moraines. Although Florida does not have any glaciers, they are an important landform in other parts of the world, such as in Alaska. A delta is a landform created at the mouth of the river where it flows into the ocean. Deltas are formed by the deposition of sediments carried by a river. Florida has several deltas, including one where the Suwannee River meets the Gulf of Mexico. Finally, a lake is a body of water surrounded by land. Lakes can be formed in many ways, such as by glaciers, volcanic activity, or tectonic movement. Florida has many lakes, including Lake Okeechobee, the largest freshwater lake in the state. So the next time you're exploring the outdoors, take a moment to appreciate the different landforms around you. They're all part of the amazing and ever-changing landscape of our planet. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of landforms. Thank you for watching.